In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to Apple CarPlay. So first, of course, make sure you have iPhone with iOS 12 or later and Apple CarPlay enabled in your car. Now from your iPhone, head over to the App Store. Then just simply search for Google Maps. So you can simply type in Maps, then search, then install Google Maps. So once Maps is done installing, make sure that you turn it on. And you can do that by simply launching the app. Then next is head over to settings. Now from here, scroll down, then click on general. Then once again, scroll down until you find CarPlay. So click on it. Now from here, all you have to do is connect your iPhone to your car. Simply follow the prompts on the CarPlay screen. Simply tap on Google Maps and enter in your destination. And just by that, you're now ready to drive. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!